It's recording.
Hey guys, so I am back today with a very special video. I am going to let my 9-year-old son, Adrian, better known as AJ, he's coming in, here he is. And AJ is going to be doing my makeup today. So he doesn't know a lot about makeup, but he definitely does watch me do my makeup. So let's just get started. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, well, why don't start off with some foundation?
Okay, perfect.
Wet
and Wild.
Okay, Wet and Wild, the photo.
Photo finish. Careful. Yeah. So you could put that straight on my face, or you could use the sponge. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. There you go.
I just little dabs of that. So under your eyes.
Everywhere. Or I can't tell you. You decide.
Okay, now you're gonna be as white as skull again. You're gonna be as white as skull again. You're turning dead, so that's gonna be beautiful. It's got some white. Got some down there a little bit.
How to be a ghost.
How to look like you're about to die.
Yeah. You need to add more.
I don't.
No, I don't know. Do you?
Sure, why not? I'm just gonna use. Why not just use this? Cause do you always use a sponge for concealer?
Foundation. I use it for both foundation and concealer. Here, I'll do it.
Okay,
so
it's fine, it's fine.
Okay, get out of the
Like,
Wait, get out of the camera. You can use a brush too if you need to.
no, that's good. That actually looks way better.
It does?
Yeah.
Nice.
Did you go check in the camera before?
No, look at the very end. They'll be surprised.
Look at that. So it's okay.
I'm just closing this foundation so it doesn't spill.
Yeah.
So he used Wet n Wild Photo Focus Classic Beige. And this
Do I have to do stuff in like order?
No, you can do it any way you want.
Okay.
You're in charge.
So wait, what do I use as eyeliner for?
Well, that's
Well,
you could pick any eyeshadows you want.
no, I'm actually. What the heck's the mascara then?
You're gonna do mascara before eyeshadow?
What do I do with eyeshadow?
You just put it on my eyes. You've seen me do that.
Okay, fine then. I need to open this
Here.
somehow over the
Yeah.
top.
So you could put any colors.
Okay, well, do I
So
have
I
like
put
a
a
brush
lot
or
of-
anything?
All those are brushes.
Okay.
Right here, look. No.
Oh, right here. Can I use this one?
You could use any of those. We're gonna use that brush for my eyes.
Oh no! My type of brushes you use for eyes are not.
Sorry, I'm cheating. This is really hard for me to let him do it. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, since it says on camera, I'm gonna use it.
Oh, okay. Beautiful. So he's using the Jaclyn Hill palette. Watch out, son. Jaclyn Hill palette. He is using Ring the Alarm, and he said he's going to use on camera. You're in the camera, though.
On camera. Yeah. Okay, this is gonna look really weird. Got someone like the side of your eyes. That's fine. You guys know how it looks. You already know this thing might look really ugly.
How's it looking?
Looks okay.
Not bad, not bad.
Okay, some on your like. Is that fine if it's on your lashes?
Yeah, because you'll cover those. Do you want to add another color?
Why
front of
not
the
boom?
camera.
Why not boom?
Boom. Okay, do boom.
It's weird. Okay, wait. So I could do it on the top right there.
Sure.
That actually looks pretty good.
So he's doing boom on the crease. I could feel him. And he's using a Wet n Wild brush.
Okay. That looks pretty good actually.
Beautiful. I'm excited.
So I used the yellow and the boom and on camera.
Gold and then boom.
Okay, well we need to wash that.
Okay.
So that's one thing we need to wash.
Sure.
We can sort of reuse that. So.
Yeah, that's true. What about eyebrows?
Oh yeah, I should probably get those.
No, right there. I brought you some eyebrow stuff.
Right here. Here. Right here.
Yep. Uh-huh.
So I use this like on your eyebrows.
So he's going to use the eyebrow palette, and it's the Ardell Brow Defining Kit. in dark. Here you go.
Okay.
So use any colors you'd like, and then they have brushes in here. So which brush do you think you would use for eyebrows? Like which brush?
Like a tiny one, maybe like these.
Let me see. Yeah, or maybe like. You guys, I'm totally cheating. I'm sorry. I'm like.
Nah, it's fine. It's fine.
But he's gonna pick a brush. You're gonna use that one?
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay,
If that's what you want, let me show them the brush. So we're gonna use a flat brush. He's gonna use this on the eyebrows, you guys. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so like, just do it on the eyebrows?
Yeah, you just do whatever you think. Maybe you just follow my hair. I don't know. It's up to you. But don't stand in front of it. Go this way. So,
So wait, so I have to like put it like where? It's like around like, oh yeah, like right. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. It's like white. This is like white.
Should you do darker maybe?
Yeah,
They have darker
that one's
colors.
dark color. Right, this one.
Oh, I could feel you're doing a great job.
Oh, are you sure?
How's it looking?
I think I should have probably passed the eyebrows.
Does it look like when Mom does her makeup?
No, not even close. The eyes do just.
The eyeshadow looks crazy.
I kind of got it like. It doesn't look good.
Okay.
Okay, let's just get another wipe and erase that.
No.
Never think about that again.
Pretend it never happened.
Yeah.
Okay, now what are you gonna do?
That does not look good. It looks weird.
Okay, well, move
Okay, we're
on.
gonna use some coconut water.
What else do you think you need? What about some mascara?
Should we close these?
Sure. Are you done?
No.
Okay, finish up then.
What else can I use? Give me a short video.
There's some eyeliner. You can try to do some eyeliner. Do you know where
do I,
eyeliner
like,
goes?
So it's like right here in the
Yeah.
eyebrows?
It's not the eyebrows. It's like the top.
Under the eye. Or like the
Yeah,
top.
I'll look down and then you do it.
So it's like under the eye.
Mm-hmm.
Is that up a little bit? Can we like take that out? Oh god, I meant. You know, I'll say that actually does not look that bad. The other eye looks way better than the other one. Okay, can I get like a makeup wipe to
You
take off the other
can,
one?
if you like. There's makeup wipes right there.
Because I kind of messed up a little bit.
It's okay, you can take it off. That's the thing about makeup, you guys, is you can remove it, right? It's not permanent, it's not forever, it's just for fun.
I like so it's supposed to go like under like your eye right
Yes,
here.
very close to the lashes, like under here.
Right.
Yeah.
I think I kind of got it. It's like I think I put a little too much.
Oh, okay.
How do
Here.
things that come out? Go.
We're using the dun 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 dun.
What? These are the worst wipes.
Oh.
Oh god, they still barely comes off.
How's
I
it?
need to take off that little part right there. Oh my gosh, it sucks. Doesn't even come off. These wipes, never buy them. These are trash.
You could put sparkles or I don't know.
I already
Which-
have a lot of sparkles on there, but why not? I don't
What
know.
sparkles did you choose? What color?
Boom and on camera.
No, with this one.
It's like a golden color.
Yeah, golden. Okay, try
Okay,
this
wait,
way.
what do I use this for?
It goes like up here on the eyes.
Is that enough?
Mm-hmm.
Look, enough. So it's like under your eyes or
No, like right here.
Oh, I see what I'm supposed to do. Okay, that actually kind of works out the colors.
Mm-hmm.
God, I
You're
already
in
delete
the film, like you're standing right in front of the camera, son.
I need to take off that. I messed it up a little bit.
That's okay.
So
Do
I'm
the
gonna
other.
use those other wipes, these trash wipes.
Okay, don't use the trash ones. Go get my good ones.
Like, you know. Perfect.
Don't throw it away. I'll keep it.
Yeah, I don't need to keep that one. Okay, what do I use?
Are you gonna do sparklies on the other side? Is it hard? Can you believe that I do this on people every day?
Yes, I don't really get how you do it.
It's pretty hard work, huh?
Okay, stupid. I hate this stupid highlighter right there. Okay, well, it's fine, it's fine.
You're in front of the camera again.
God.
Okay.
Okay, keep this. My eyes so watery.
Why?
I don't know. Okay, so do I use this coconut water?
Are you done?
Well, do I use it for anything?
It goes at the end. You spritz your face at the end. What about like blush? You forgot to do blush.
Where even is that?
There's one right there. You can see it on the table.
Over here?
Yep. Yep, that's blush. That round one.
Okay, why didn't you give me this before?
This is a blush brush you could use.
I'm gonna use this one. It is from MAC officially, as you can see right there, MAC. And the blush we're using is also from MAC. I don't know what color it is, but
Margin.
Margin?
It's called Margin.
Okay, it's from MAC.
Oh my gosh, there was a random lipstick here. And you're gonna have to just use this because we forgot to get a lipstick. No, we're gonna use this one.
Why?
Because it was just here, and I thought, oh. But let's do blush and stuff.
No.
Okay.
Let's do this. Beautiful. You know, like, yeah, make it normal. God. Yeah, perfect. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. I almost thought this was the cat.
Okay, now you need to do blush.
Okay.
Or powder or something. Oh, you didn't put. You could powder my face. That might be helpful.
Okay.
Bless you.
Put this.
Where does blush go?
I don't know.
Where do you think it goes? Put it wherever you think it goes.
Under your eye?
No.
I don't know. Tell me.
Wherever you think it goes. Put it.
Tell me. Your
In
cheeks.
front of the camera.
So you're like, oh God, you're gonna hate what I did. Yeah, you're gonna be like, what did you do to my face?
Is it done?
And well, I could use some more stuff.
What else are you gonna put?
I could use this for something. Do we have like any like? I haven't done like your eyelashes or anything.
Oh, here's some mascara.
Screw yeah. Did I use your eyeshadow? Oh yeah, I did, didn't I?
Okay, get out of the camera. I'll turn towards you.
Okay guys, you gotta be really steady, but I'm not really that steady. So like, as you can see, this is my hand right now.
Very scary. It's very
This is my hand right now.
Okay.
No, really, this is how my hand looks. Yeah, it's a little steady.
Okay, so I do want to hold this like, oh, I kind of got it on you. Alright. The makeup's kind of wearing off. Can I get some more? Oh no, I think I need the stupid thing. That's what it is. And that's what under your eye, somebody knows. Sorry. Alright, bye! Okay, I'm blowing all this. So I should take away the under eye part. This looks disgusting. Clamp it on the camera. That one almost right there. It's not even messing up. Where's it? So I should do the eyeliner for you, I swear. You're not good for anything, okay? Get out of my way, okay?
This is my life, not your life. No. Okay, that just doesn't come off, so that's great. Like 2 more times. Okay, I need to put some more of that makeup. What was the palette I used? It was this one, right? Okay, what was the like makeup brush I used too?
You could use any brush you want.
No, I just wondered like what brush. It was that one, right? My eyes are so like watery.
How did that happen? Did you touch your eyes with this?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
You like scrubbed your eyes?
No, I didn't scrub it. It's just like, I don't know.
That's why you decide what color.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Oh, that's what I'm doing. Okay, so figure out what color. Shh. Trickery. Oh, wait, is this the one I use?
No. You use this palette.
Okay, wow. Okay, I used on camera
Mm-hmm.
on like the top part.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I could see on camera. It's like right. It's like they painting.
Go this way and I'll.
Like it's like painting,
move towards
Mom.
Mm-hmm.
Straight up is like painting both a moving human. Mom, like straight up, that's exactly what I feel like. I might need to use this again, but use this by. Okay, I used boom, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that boom, some boom, a boom. Get that on your top eye, because that's where I put it last time. It's beautiful. Because I messed it up a little bit, because like stupid, like I don't know what it was. Okay. Like, there's. Yeah, I see it. Okay, that's good.
How do I look?
Do you want to look in the mirror?
Are we done?
Well, what else can I use, really?
I think you've done it all, right?
I think.
Okay, you spray
Is
it.
this the end of the video?
This will be the end of the video. We're almost done. Let's
Okay,
look
let's
at
see
it.
the time.
Wait,
It's better. Okay, we've been here for 20 minutes. So.
really? Okay, well,
Okay, well,
spray
this
my
will be a
face.
good video. Okay, well, end of the video.
Spray my face.
And she, oh yeah, we're going to get a reaction, so we're gonna.
Okay.
Get some more there.
Okay.
Okay, that's good.
All right, so reaction.
Okay,
Bring me a
reaction.
mirror. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm
Okay.
sure I look lovely. Hand it over, bub. Okay, hold on here.
Wow, you like the facial.
It's not bad.
Yeah, it is.
Like, look at the eyeshadow, you guys. It's not, actually, look how pretty that looks, kind of. It's like really not, the lipstick's kind of cute. Like,
It's just the eyes.
yeah, it's, let me like look at myself in the full length mirror. Hold on.
You can look stupid.
No, it's not bad. It could be, it could totally be worse. It's not bad.
Like, Mom, it could totally be like this. Wait, where's the lipstick?
No, don't get crazy. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day or night or whenever you're viewing this. Thanks again. Bye, guys.